Ever wonder what the future of farming looks like? Well, it's already here, and it's incredible. Let's dive into a world where machines think, move, and farm smarter than ever. The Terrafelis's 900mm conveyor gently moves up to 560 tons of beats per hour. Its wear-resistant belt and smart slope protect crops, while the variable speed drive syncs with pickup to avoid clogs. Touchscreen controls let operators adapt to any field condition, keeping long shifts smooth and efficient. Powered by a 75-horsepower Kohler engine and four-wheel hydraulic drive, the X16 harvester delivers high harvesting performance on varied and complex terrains. Its spiral rotor and rubber brush protect fruit quality during collection. A 3-stage impurity filter effectively removes leaves and dust, ensuring clean produce. The 1.8 cubic meter bin lifts to 2.8 meters for quick unloading. Pairing the John Deere S770 with the Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30 results in a harvesting system tailored for sunflower fields of medium to large scale. The 450 horsepower engine delivers the power needed to handle dense crop volumes, and the 30-foot header ensures consistent cutting across the working width. This combination offers efficient throughput, preserves crop quality. Automating tillage with the AgBot 2.05, 5 watts 4, and class equipment is a smart advancement, promising increased efficiency, precision, and sustainability, unlocking potential for progressive farming methods. Efficient and lightweight, the Stalker double-sided hoe without a pump streamlines mechanical weeding. When paired with a capable tractor, it delivers high-speed, low-disturbance results across dual rows in one pass. Ensuring precision and quality in planting is a key focus of this machine. The Horizon Flowers bulb planter, with features like the Kremer counting unit and sensor-controlled automatic net brakes. Accurate counting and controlled placement will likely lead to more uniform growth and higher quality flowers. The technological detail indicates a commitment to optimizing both production quantity and quality. Observing how the Pellenc leaf cutter operates reveals a delicate balance between speed and precision. The cutting mechanism appears designed to remove leaves effectively without damaging the plant structure, a crucial factor in maintaining long-term productivity. The Vogel Engineering celery harvester smartly integrates lifting, conveying, and direct loading into one continuous process. This streamlined design reduces blockages, speeds up harvest, and minimizes crop damage by eliminating repeated manual handling. Digging deep trenches is no easy task, but the Trenker T1360C trencher makes it look simple. Its hydraulic-powered chain cuts cleanly through compacted soil, and with adjustable depth and width, it's ready for any job. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to swappable teeth and automatic chain tensioning. With manure outlets placed ahead of a rotating hoe, the Evers Combi Schaffel bemester ensures thorough mixing of nutrients into the soil's upper layer, delivering fertilization and weed control simultaneously while minimizing nutrient loss. Featuring advanced technology, the Broad machine protects grapes and speeds up harvesting, ensuring smooth operation across different terrains with a sturdy design. Jack says the orchard sprayer works so smoothly, even his trees are asking for a standing ovation. On rocky plots in Corsica, the Massano RSE 145B subsoiler demonstrates outstanding performance by lifting soil and managing stones beneath the surface. Its specialized mechanism raises the soil while pushing stones deeper, creating a loose soil layer and reducing plant damage risk from rocks. Combined with the Explorer 290 turbo tractor, this system not only improves soil quality, but also accelerates and enhances work efficiency on complex terrains. In real conditions, the Grimme Veritron 470 delivers power and precision. Its autofill, laser pilot, and sensor systems streamline large harvests, while its modular frame simplifies upkeep. However, it's best used on flat fields and by trained personnel. The New Holland Pumpkin Harvester marks a significant advancement in pumpkin harvesting, handling up to 1,200 pumpkins per hour. Its intelligent clamping system reduces damage by 30% and fuel consumption by 20%, combining work efficiency with green technology. Bird pests have long posed challenges across many sectors. The Avix Autonomic Mark II offers a smarter solution, using automatic laser technology to deter birds in a safe, sustainable, and humane way. As the Massey Ferguson baler runs, it continuously compacts straw into solid, uniform square bales. These are then pushed out to the rear, where a trailing accumulator stands ready to gather them. With a capacity of up to 15 bales, the accumulator saves transportation time and significantly reduces manual labor. Automated gardening's looking promising with FarmBot. Imagine a robot that weeds and waters on schedule, all managed from your phone. The different sizes cater to various garden spaces. Soon these smart systems will learn your plant's needs and sync with weather data for truly effortless, sustainable gardening. Mowing steep slopes is no joke, but the TTR 7600 Slope Mow Infinity makes it a breeze. Smooth hydrostatic drive plus a low center of gravity means you can tackle tough terrain without breaking a sweat. Removing dead branches is vital for tree safety and health. It prevents falling hazards, pest habitats, and boosts energy for new growth, enhancing the tree's overall look and vitality. Designed for high-volume production, this watermelon processing line integrates advanced sensors that evaluate every melon's size, weight, and condition. It efficiently cleans and packs up to 6,500 pieces per minute, optimizing sorting quality and protecting fruit integrity. Cruise over the pots, let the hidden blades work their magic, and voila, plants trimmed tight and ready to wow the buyers. Who knew pruning could double as prepping for prime time? During green bean or pea harvesting, the oxbow picksaw efficiently separates pods from plants and begins initial processing, which are then transported via conveyor into large bins, ready for the next steps.
So that's it. First 2 acres of peas never picked.
This kind of conveyor-assisted apple handling doesn't eliminate manual labor, but it redistributes the effort. Workers still pick the fruit, but they don't have to carry heavy crates or worry about damaging the harvest during transport. That's a meaningful shift, especially in large-scale operations. Rohan 2's adjustable platform and padded headrest offer excellent comfort for strawberry picking. Dual 24-volt DC motors drive cleated tires, ensuring smooth navigation on rough fields. The solar-charged battery extends runtime, ideal for sunny days. Its open frame simplifies weeding, boosting efficiency for small farms. Planning a harvest with the New Holland 1540 combine harvester provides a level of predictability that's valuable for mid-sized operations. Knowing that the machine can handle up to 1.2 hectares per hour under optimal conditions allows for more accurate scheduling of labor and logistics. Its consistent output helps reduce the risk of crop loss during narrow harvesting windows. Sweer's Stevia harvester with bunker uses a bandsaw-style cutter for precise leaf harvesting. The hydraulic bunke, controlled from the cab, ensures quick unloading. Customizable tracks and headers adapt to various field conditions, making it ideal for stevia and leafy crops. A smart pick for efficient small-scale farming. Sure, it takes some legwork, but hey, it's the only tractor that doesn't need oil, just oatmeal. Consistent feed availability via Lely Juno 100 automatic feed pusher can improve feed conversion ratios. By ensuring cows always have access to fresh feed, less is wasted and nutrient uptake is maximized, leading to better output per unit of feed input. Think of it as a planting carousel. Spring cups drop seedlings precisely while ground-driven wheels keep it smooth. Tray holders boost speed. Precision meets practicality. The compact potting machine's small size optimizes ergonomic setups. It supports pot diameters from 8 to 30 centimeters, with rapid size adjustments for short runs. Nurseries gain flexibility for diverse plants, suits smaller operations best. When you try to dump grass but your tractor thinks it's showtime, rear wheelie included. Combining a large rotor, sharp steel blades, and a centrifugal blower, this device optimizes pulverization. The mummy mulcher not only processes mummy nuts, but also limits pest breeding, boosting next season's yields. Onion cutter's accuracy limits waste by preserving more edible onion compared to manual trimming, enhancing kitchen cost management. When working on uniform rows, the chili harvester machine operates efficiently with less than 5% fruit loss. It's reliable as long as you don't expect it to pick out only the red chilies for your next hot sauce batch. This the Mitsubishi MT-17 with a 120 centimeter mower setup balances power and fuel efficiency, making it a smart choice for pasture maintenance. Removing stems is essential for maintaining wine quality. Leftover stems can impart bitterness or astringency during fermentation. By ensuring thorough separation, the machine helps preserve a cleaner and smoother flavor in the final product. The Powell Seed Planter lightweight and compact design ensures excellent portability, enabling farmers to move it easily, and its small size simplifies storage, tackling logistical issues often encountered with larger equipment. Garlic cloves are delicately peeled without any contact with blades or water, thanks to a clever use of airflow mechanics. This method preserves the clove structure while keeping operations dry and efficient. Rose hips may grow on thorny branches, but harvesting them doesn't have to be painful. With mechanical brushes or gentle shakers, these vitamin-rich fruits are collected easily, ready to become jam, tea, syrup, wine, or skincare products. This corn sheller's got more moves than a country line dance. Fast, slick, and doesn't miss a beat. Many believe sloped terrain demands constant manual correction, but the Necked H40, with its Pro system, adapts in real time to maintain a steady working position, ensuring smooth, continuous operation even on uneven ground. By mimicking the hand combing motion, the harvesting machine effectively replicates a traditional method known for preserving the integrity of chamomile flowers, an important consideration in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. Beyond just productivity, the Tubuline Nitro Manure Spreader contributes to an improved quality of life for farmers. By automating a physically demanding and often unpleasant task, it reduces strain and fatigue, allowing farmers to dedicate their energy to more rewarding and less taxing activities. Equipped with a hydraulic motor and cutting blade, this dredger mounted on an excavator efficiently clears mud at depths reaching 3 meters. Its powerful 1,800-liter pump allows for a throughput of 80 cubic meters per hour, while compatibility with forklifts ensures versatile field use. Integrated tractor power makes this cutter a streamlined solution for managing straw. One pass does it all, improving workflow after harvest. No fancy bells or whistles, just pure, honest nut-crushing power. This hazelnut crusher gets the job done efficiently, proving that sometimes simplicity beats complexity. Farmers streamline their peanut harvests by employing the peanut picking and pod separating machine, which merges several key stages into one. This no-engine well irrigation uses only what farmers have, saving energy and cutting emissions. Simple, smart, and sustainable. These machines are the future, and the future is now. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button to follow Mega Hub for more amazing agri-tech content.